Oh my God, she's here. I'm sharing with you guys today a bag that I got from one of my favorite brands, Glamaholic, a lifestyle. And I have been wanting a green bag in my collection for a while. And so I purchased two, one designer bag and one affordable bag. So here is my affordable bag. It's from a Glamaholic lifestyle. This is the dust bag, and oh my God, you guys. I went ahead and took the plastic off of everything to get right down to the nitty gritty, but here she is. Oh my goodness, she's gorgeous. This is the saddle bag or shoulder bag. I believe it's called in the size medium. It comes in medium and large, and I have it here in the olive color. It has a nice antique gold hardware, which I love. Here is the crossbody strap. I am plus size and the strap fits perfectly. I did not have to adjust it, so I love the sizing. On the back of the bag, you do have a large pocket, which I love. If I wasn't recording on my phone, I would put my phone inside of it, but I know that my phone will fit. On the inside of the bag, we have one back pocket that is zipped, and then you also get another pocket that's unzipped, and it's satin lined. This is a vegan pebbled leather, and this bag retails for $90. I am really impressed with the quality of this bag. I have been buying bags from this brand for about 3 years now, and the quality just keeps getting better and better. The elevation of this brand is there. This is a small Black owned, woman owned business based in Detroit, and I just love supporting small businesses. And with that being said, you won't see too many people with this bag, which is another reason why I like shopping Glamaholic. So I'll have everything linked down below for you. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.